G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is March the 8th, 2023. This is a US dollar basket update. Now we did have a bit of a false break to the downside after our last video. It broke down below this, on the 4-hour chart, below this ascending diagonal trend line, but then it bounced quite strongly overnight to the upside. And if you're watching the metals, the gold and silver and other commodities, the oil as well, they all took a bit of a hit overnight, and the US dollar actually bounced quite dramatically since. But just be mindful, we did draw this on the 4-hour chart. We did draw these two descending trend lines. Now it's broken through the first one based on those two tops there, but then it's actually rested on this secondary descending trend line quite nicely since we drew that based on those two tops up there on the 4-hour chart. But one thing to notice as well, it did bounce off the 4-hour chart, the CCI, and also it bounced off the 1-hour chart on the CCI as well, quite convincingly. I wouldn't get too cocky about going long anytime soon until we saw a more positive move to the upside on the daily CCI as well. So that's still in a pretty strong downward direction, even though the price is making some advancements to the upside. On the daily chart, you can see there it's broken up through the 23% some time ago, a few weeks ago, and it's now approaching the 38% on the daily chart. We're going to remove this Fibonacci retracement. We had it previously on that from that high to that low, because now it's making a new high. So we'll redraw that once that we get a new resistance area. We'll draw that again in future. But at the moment, cautiously going long based on the lower time frames, but as I say cautiously because it's still in a pretty major downtrend based on the daily. We don't want to be caught out again prematurely. So to understand how to properly trade using the average down process, reference the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe and the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.